Hey everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda, and I have another new arrival to show you. This is a 2018 Toyota CHR. It only has about 49,000 kilometers on the dial. Let's take a look.
For more information or to arrange a test drive on the CHR, call or text me on my cell. It's 519-732-5551, and I'll enter you in a draw to win a gift card.
On the CHR, you have these keyless proximity door fobs, so all you have to do is have this on you. Grab the handle to unlock. If you want to relock it when you're walking away, you just tap this little pad on the side here. There's loads of convenience features inside. Sporty steering wheel, you have full range of controls right at your fingertips. On the right, you have your cruise control, your lane departure, forward collision warning. These are just controls for your menu here, right in behind, if you can see that. On the left, you have your Bluetooth and media controls, as well as voice controls. And on the door, you have your power mirror and automatic window switches. On the dash, you have a very user-friendly setup. This main display here is touchscreen, AM, FM radio. You also have Bluetooth connectivity. You have a backup camera just on your mirror above here. Just below, you have a very user-friendly setup. It controls your fans, all your different climate control options. You also have heated seats. Your connectivity options are just down below here for your USB connection, as well as an auxiliary headphone jack. You also have an econ mode in this vehicle, which you control through your steering wheel right here. You just go into drive modes. You can have sport, normal, or eco drive. And the interior is in absolutely fantastic condition. No rips, no tears, no damage anywhere inside. Thank you for watching. So if you're in the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle, you can call or text me anytime on my cell. It's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information or to arrange a test drive, and I'll enter you in a draw to win a gift card.